Hey everybody, welcome in today's video. In today's video, we are going to have a look at this bounce in the Bitcoin price because Bitcoin has seen a nice bounce so far and right now is testing the most important resistance level. Then guys, we will have a look at a couple of altcoin charts and one of them is Polkadot because Polkadot right now is breaking out and we're seeing a nice increase in the price. Then guys, next to talking about crypto, we are going to have a look at a couple of comments from you. I'm going to answer some questions and I have a couple of announcements to make. So guys, it's going to be a very interesting video today. With that being said, my name is Sharon. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. And right now, let's jump into the content right after a quick sponsor of today's video.
So, you want to invest in the cryptocurrency market, but you don't know where to start? Welcome to the co-vesting module on PrimeXBT. The co-vesting module helps investors and talented cryptocurrency traders find each other. With an easy-to-use interface, you can compare and replicate successful strategies with a proven track record. You can follow multiple trading strategies to diversify your risk. Co-vesting module on PrimeXBT. They trade, you profit.
And guys, before we are zooming in right here on the price of Bitcoin, I want to ask every one of you to take 1 single minute, scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. Guys, that would be so amazing. And if we have a look at the past videos of last week, then we can see that almost every video is reaching more than 250 likes, guys. And guys, this is fantastic. I really appreciate all of your engagement. And when I see these amounts of likes, guys, that is just awesome. That is just something we haven't really seen in the past year. It was very difficult to reach 200 likes, but right now, yeah, we are just going over 250 likes on most of these videos. So that is just an awesome number, guys. I want to thank you all for that. Thank you all for making this possible. You are really helping the channel out with that, guys, so it is very much appreciated. So a big shout out to all of you guys. Then guys, while we have a look at YouTube right here at one of my videos, I want to give a small announcement of something that is happening right here. So yeah, if you go down below my videos and you have a look at all the comments, you know, then yeah, most likely you have been seeing that there are a lot of scammy comments. So a lot of comments, like normally after I upload a video and I see scammy comments, I will delete them directly. I will hide those users on the channel so they cannot comment again. But yeah, they are with so much and they just keep on coming up every time of the day. So it's very difficult for me to just delete all of those comments because yeah, that would be almost a full-time job. But yeah, as you can see, let's just take an example right here. So guys, right here we have an example. We have a comment right here, and if you look at the answers of this comment, guys, then you can see somebody is pretending to be me, the Blockchain Today, and yeah, he's talking about some professional trader and throwing his WhatsApp number. But guys, of course, most of you guys know this, but yeah, for the ones that were doubting about this is a scam, guys. You should never trust these channels. The Blockchain Today, this is just a fake account. If I'm leaving a comment right in the comment section, you can see it right there, then you can see that my account is highlighted. So you will see this gray box and the Blockchain Today, and that is how you can actually know that it is me commenting and not this scammer we are seeing below here. So guys, do take that in mind. There are a lot of scammers down below in the comment section, but don't let that stop you from commenting below my videos, because in today's video as well, we are going to have a look at some of your comments. I'm going to answer some questions right here. So it's still fun to have this engagement, to talk, but yeah, these scammers are just very annoying. I try to delete as much as possible, but yeah, I won't be able to delete them all. So yeah, that's why I want to let you know right here that yeah, if you are seeing these comments, be careful and don't fall for these scams. But guys, before we are going to have a look at these comments, let's first have a look at the price of Bitcoin. So right now we are seeing quite a nice bounce so far from the neckline of this potential head and shoulders pattern, right? Which yeah, eventually didn't play out, but we are seeing quite a bounce right here, quite a bullish bounce, I have to say. And Bitcoin right now at this specific moment is testing the last resistance, like I've mentioned in my previous video as well. So right here, I have drawn a Fibonacci retracement tool from the top right here till the bottom of this move. And as you can see right now, we are testing the final level, the 78.60%, which is aligning, guys, with previous resistance, but as well with previous support right here. So guys, this is going to be a very important level, and in my personal opinion, is going to be the last level, level which could actually still show us that this was the top. If we were to break above this level, then most likely, I think with a high certainty, you could say that this was not the top and that Bitcoin is most likely going to continue this uptrend, but at least going to surpass the high right here at approximately 42,000 US dollar. So guys, let's have a look at the trend of Bitcoin. Let's start off with the 1 hour time frame, and the orange line right here on the 1 hour time frame is the 20 hourly moving average. As you can see right now, Bitcoin is getting perfectly supported by this trend line. Here you can see the moment we broke above it and this trend line was acting as support, that is the moment that we have seen a nice bounce to the upside, and Bitcoin was in this short-term rally. Right now we are still getting supported by this level, so this will be one of the first levels that I'm usually watching when Bitcoin is in a strong uptrend, to see if we are going to see a transition to a short-term downtrend. But right now on the 1 hour time frame, so in the immediate short-term time frame, we are still in an uptrend. You can see right here that we got some resistance from the 78.60% level. We got a small pullback right here to the 20 hourly moving average, but we already got supported, and right now we are testing the 78.60% level again. Then guys, when we have a look at the 4 hour time frame, and I want to change this moving average to the 50 moving average on the 4 hour time frame, which I personally think is a very significant level, guys, then you can see that we are trading above this level as well, showing us that right in the 4 hour time frame we are in a uptrend as well. And as you can see right now, the moving average is perfectly or almost perfectly aligning with the golden ratio Fibonacci level. And I've also told you guys this in my previous video. What you could do is you could open a long position right here the moment we break above the golden ratio Fibonacci level, which is showing us that the chances are increasing that this move to the upside is not a corrective move to the upside, but this is a new uptrend. And you could put your stop loss right here, let's say below the golden ratio Fibonacci level. So if the price would come down and we would break below this level, then you will be stopped out of your trade. But at least you can ride this wave to the upside if we are entering a new uptrend. So guys, I do think that this was a great strategy for the situation we are in right now with Bitcoin, because right here at this specific moment, you just don't really know if this move to the upside is going to be a retracement or whether this bounce is going to transition in a new uptrend. And that's the reason why I choose this level to open a long position the moment we are breaking above the golden ratio, because it is really increasing the likelihood of this being a new uptrend, but also using a stop loss right here, which is aligning with the Fibonacci golden ratio, but as well with the 50 moving average on the 4 hour time frame. Because if we were to see a reversal right here and we were to break this level, then most likely we are going to see lower levels, and then the chances are increasing that this move to the upside was a corrective structure like we have seen in the top in 2019, where we also topped out and we saw a bounce back up to the 78.60%, and from there we got a rejection and we broke below all these important moving averages. So guys, the exact levels that I'm watching right now in the Bitcoin chart is, first of all, the resistance above us at the 78.60%, but as well former support and former resistance, which is right now 40,000 US dollars. Then the level below us, guys, that I'm watching is the Fibonacci golden ratio, which is aligning with the 50 moving average on the 4 hour time frame, which is at the level of 37,600. Then guys, quick look at the Dixie. We have some unclarity right here. We could be forming a inverse head and shoulders as well. So we have the neckline approximately right here. Then we form a left shoulder right there, a head in the middle, and a right shoulder right here. If this neckline were to break out to the upside right here, if the price, the Dixie, can break out to the upside, then that would be bullish for the US dollar index, and that would most likely be a bearish sign for Bitcoin. However, guys, if we were to see lower levels right here going to test the support again, then that would be very bullish for Bitcoin, because there's a inverse correlation, right? The moment this chart is looking bullish, that is actually bearish for Bitcoin, and the other way around. Then, guys, let's have a look at this altcoin. This is Polkadot in the US dollar comparative, and we have seen a massive pump in Polkadot, and from the lows right here we have seen a pump of approximately 106%, and right now Polkadot is up 99%, so approximately 100%. Guys, I hope you all took the trade with me right here when we were seeing this dip in the altcoins. I've made a video that right now it is a awesome opportunity to accumulate some altcoins, and one of the altcoins that I have been accumulating was Polkadot right here at approximately the lower $8 levels. And right now this trade already doubled so far without using any leverage. So those are actually quite significant gains without using any leverage, right? To double your investment, even in the Bitcoin comparative as well. Because I've been watching my Polkadot in US dollar, but as well in the Bitcoin comparative. So let's have a look at the Bitcoin comparative chart as well. There you can see that from the lows approximately right here we have been seen a rally of approximately 80%. So guys, when we have a look at Polkadot in the Bitcoin comparative, then we can see the bullishness as well, right? And I've been mentioning this chart, and also that it is a great moment to accumulate, guys. We have a declining resistance right here. We broke above this declining resistance, which was a very bullish sign. And I've said right here, guys, if this resistance can turn into support, then that would be an awesome moment to accumulate Polkadot. And as you can see, the former resistance right now is holding support, and we have seen a nice bounce off from it. So guys, that is something that we have been seeing in the crypto markets in general. Like, we have seen Bitcoin on an amazing rally, right? And normally we are seeing some form of an altcoin season after Bitcoin is performing such a rally, because people are getting bullish. People want to make similar returns as they made on their Bitcoin investment, which is just not possible with Bitcoin anymore. So they are going to look for different opportunities, which is quite logical. That's also how the greedy psychology, human psychology, is actually working. So it makes sense that after a rally in the price of Bitcoin, eventually altcoins will follow as well, because that liquidity in Bitcoin will be spread over the crypto market. So for me, it's not a question whether we are going to see an altcoin season. I think the chances are just very likely that we are going to see an altcoin season, and it's just important that you are picking the altcoins which are showing strength. So right here you can just clearly see that Polkadot is showing a lot of strength in the US dollar comparative, but as well in the Bitcoin comparative. So if we are seeing chances like we are seeing right here, that we have a breakout and a retest, then those are just golden opportunities to accumulate for the next bull run, right? When liquidity is being more spread over the crypto markets, then most likely you will have a nice position if you would enter right here. Of course, this is carrying a higher risk than if you just would be invested in Bitcoin. But the other side of it is that you also get exposure to bigger gains. Then guys, let's have a look at a couple of comments I've got from you guys yesterday. So let's start off with the first one, which is from Cat L. And he or she is saying right here, "You're one of my favorite crypto channels. I enjoy your technical analysis and always give an honest advice on both sides of the argument, not like the other clickbait links." And Cat L, thank you very much for your kind words. And this is also something I really try to do here. I really try to create a honest, non-biased analysis, not leaning to one side of the story, not only being bullish, not only being bearish, but just how I interpreted the signs that I'm seeing in the markets. So guys, for me it's really awesome to read these kind of comments, because I can just see that this person is really enjoying the analysis and is really getting the point of what I'm trying to present in my daily videos, guys. Okay, so Cat L, thank you so much for your engagement. Thank you for your comment. This is highly appreciated. Now let's go to the next comment, which is from Saint Sinner. And guys, he's stating right here, "Good analysis as always. Thanks for the work. Love your energy. Almost 10K. Keep up." So guys, this is something which is amazing and which I would love to reach in the first half of 2021. is that the YouTube channel, The Blockchain Today, is going to surpass 10,000 subscribers. So guys, that would be very amazing. And Saint Sinner, thank you so much for your comment. Thank you for your energy as well. Because guys, the more energy I'm getting from you, the more energy I have in my system to bring it back over to you. So this is like a loop which is working, right? When I have energy, you guys get energy. And when you guys have energy, I get more energy. So that is actually a great mechanism of how this actually works. Now guys, let's go to the next comment, which is from Bitcoin and Crypto 5 to 10 minute daily update. I see you are posting quite often comments below this video, so thank you for that. And yeah, he's asking right here, where did you learn all this TA? I mean, what is your backstory, how you got into crypto, and did anyone teach you or did you learn yourself? So guys, I wanted to take this question as an opportunity in today's video to tell you guys a little bit about my background story, what kind of person I am right here outside of this YouTube channel, and where I'm coming from. So first of all guys, for most of you that don't know it yet, I'm from the Netherlands, and I think a lot of you guys know it because a lot of subscribers are from the Netherlands, because I'm getting a lot of Dutch messages from you. So guys, that is really awesome. So guys, what is my backstory? Well, first of all guys, I've never been much of a school person. I've dropped out of high school, and I had always a lot of trouble with finding the motivation to go to a certain study. But the funny part was that after school, I had a lot of motivation to read the books that I wanted to read and to learn about the subjects that I wanted to learn about. Then guys, in my early 20s, I finally found a study which I actually quite liked, and the study was called Creative Media and Game Technology, which is all about developing applications, making websites, and so on. It's a little bit a IT study, creative IT. And yeah, that study I finished, but the moment I actually finished that study, that was as well the moment that I was starting with my YouTube channel, because around 2016 I got introduced with cryptocurrencies. I was already busy with Bitcoin before, but really the world of cryptocurrencies came to me on my path in 2016. And guys, the moment I got introduced with this cryptocurrency world, that was exactly the moment that I started to drop everything that I was doing, and I was just going only into cryptocurrencies. And first of all, I started really to learn about the fundamentals behind cryptocurrencies, so the technology behind Bitcoin, but as well the technology behind certain altcoins. That was also more the topics in the earlier days of this channels. I was more talking about the fundamentals. Later my interest really shifted towards trading, and that was the moment I've been reading a lot of books, and I was just every single day, like right now as well, I'm just every single day busy with these markets, trying to develop myself further, trying to get a better understanding, and trying to bring this understanding to you guys. That is also my purpose right here. And guys, that is as well the exact reason of my YouTube channel right here. I really have a strong motivation to try and understand everything I'm interested in. And yeah, right now, like in the past years, it has just been the cryptocurrency markets. And guys, that is as well what I love about this YouTube channel, because besides this YouTube channel, I'm really trying to develop myself, trying to become a better trader every day, a better analyst. And everything that I'm learning, I'm trying to simplify that, and I'm trying to present you that in these daily updates. So guys, to answer these questions concretely, where did you learn all this TA, and did you learn it by yourself? And yeah, this is partly true. So yes, I learned a lot of things by myself. I'm very a autodidact person, and I've also been reading a lot of books, guys, and that is what really is making the difference, because you have to, if you want to develop as a trader, you really have to invest money into yourself, but you also have to invest a lot of time. And the easiest way to do this, guys, is to enjoy the process. If you enjoy the process of learning, then every day is a blessing. When you open these books, when you try to get a better understanding, you do it with joy. And that is, I think, one of the most important things. So guys, we were just talking about this loop, right? But this is also working for me as an individual. If I'm feeling fulfillment the moment I'm developing myself, then that is stimulating me to continue and developing myself. So guys, I hope you found this background talk about me, you found that interesting. If so guys, let me know in the comment section down below. If you have a similar background story, let me know as well guys. I'm very curious about that. Then I have one last announcement to make for today's video, and that is that the t-shirts we have been creating with the artist Mein Liebe Prost, they are ready. Right now I'm wearing it, as you can see. So guys, these t-shirts right now you can order at the blockchaintoday.com. So if you want to get one of those t-shirts, you can go over to the blockchaintoday.com and get yourself one of these shirts. But okay guys, that's it for today's video. I want to thank you all again for all your engagement, all your comments guys. I really have the feeling we have a nice community right here, and I want all of you to know guys that I really appreciate that. Then guys, I want to wish all of you an amazing day today, and I will see all of you in the next video.